Hey art friends, today we're learning how to draw a gummy burger. I hope you're going to follow along with me. This is going to be a lot of fun. Let's get started. I'm using our Art for Kids Hub alcohol-based markers, and because I'm drawing with a marker, I'm also using Canson marker paper. This is my favorite brand. It works really well with these markers. It keeps our markers lasting long and also allows us to blend and layer the markers on top of each other, unlike regular printer paper that kind of falls apart when you put too much marker on it. But also remember, you don't have to use the same art supplies as us. You can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. Let's start by drawing our gummy burger. We're gonna draw the top bun first. We're gonna draw an upside down U shape or a rainbow line. And then we're gonna connect the bottom of the bun with a curve. We're gonna make our gummy burger look 3D. We're gonna add our next layer, and these are just really soft gummy shapes. There's not a lot of details. We're gonna add the detail with color later. So there's the middle layer, and then we're gonna draw the bottom layer. It's pretty simple. There we go. There's our gummy burger. Now we're gonna add the wrapper that goes around it. So let's start up at the top, and we're gonna draw a wiggly line because it's crumpled up, or wrapper's crumpled. And we're gonna add 2 lines coming down on each side. Then we can connect those 2 lines together. Then let's do the same thing down here. We're gonna draw a wiggly line coming over to the other side, 2 lines coming down, and a wiggly line to connect those 2 lines. If I ever go too fast or you want to take extra time to add more things, you can pause the video to catch up. All right, now let's draw the wrapper coming down, and I'm gonna draw it diagonal. Then we're gonna come out, maybe some more wiggles, and then a diagonal line connecting to the bottom. Then we could draw another diagonal line on this side coming in, and a bumpy line down, and a diagonal line connecting to the bottom part of the wrapper. You could take extra time to add the label, like E Fruity and Mini Burger down here at the bottom, but we're gonna leave that off to keep the lesson a little easier. Now let's switch to our colors. I'm using 23 orange for the top and bottom bun. We'll first color in the top bun solid. This is a really bright orange. If you have a color that's more yellow, you could use that too. Now that I'm using it, it kind of feels a little too orange, but that's okay. These gummy burgers are really bright. Then on the bottom bun, we're only gonna color below this line. Above it will be red. And when we fast forward, you can also pause the video for that extra time. Now let's switch to 15 red. I think this also might be the patty, even though it's red. So we'll color in above the orange on this bottom layer. Next, we'll switch to 35 yellow, and we'll do the same thing we did for the bottom layer and draw a curve splitting, and then we'll color below that. This is for the cheese. Then above the cheese, we'll use 46 green for the lettuce. Now we're ready to color our wrapper. I'm switching back to my 15 red, and we'll color just the top part of our wrapper. The center part is clear so that you can see the gummy. So I'm drawing a curve going across and over to the other side, and then we'll color above this line. Next, let's switch to 33 yellow to color the bottom of our wrapper. I'm gonna draw a curve going underneath, and then we'll color below that line. Now we can leave our drawing just like this, just color it in solid, and that keeps the lesson nice and simple, but we could add even more details. Let's use our CG1. This is a light gray, and I'm gonna add little ripples or wrinkles in the wrapper. And some of these ripples could go over the burger and overlap. Let's also add little details on the wrapper up here. I'm going to draw lines going across. This is with my number 2 red. And I think I'm going to layer on top of that again to make it darker. Yeah, that looks really cool. Then I'm also switching to orange 23 to add those same lines on this bottom part of the wrapper. I also have my white colored pencil. We can add little shiny reflections on top of our gummy bun. This adds a little texture to it and makes it look shiny. We can also add shiny highlights on the other layers too. I also really love using these acrylic paint markers where you can add a really bright highlight back over the marker. The last thing I'm doing is tracing back over the outside of our drawing. I just like how this looks. And we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our gummy burger. It turned out really cool, colored in. I hope you take time to color your drawings also. You can pause the video to catch up and add those colors. And for an extra challenge, you could add the label on top and also the bottom. Remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than mine. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me and drawing your own gummy burger. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. Hey parents and teachers, did you know that we have a book series called Draw with Art for Kids Hub? Our animals book is already out and ready for you to order. It's filled with 30 awesome step-by-step drawing projects that your kids will love. We also have 2 more fun books that release later, but you can pre-order them now. Cute and Funny Foods will be available on August 13th, 2024, and our Christmas book, perfect for the holiday season, it releases on September 3rd, 2024. You can find all of these books through the link in the description below this video. Thanks for being part of our art family, and I hope you keep drawing and having fun.